Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So a few days now is my birthday, guys, and I have been so busy, like with work, with life, with a lot of things these few months. And in a few days is my birthday. If you guys know, I'm a June baby, and I came to make my hair today. Today is on Sunday, and this is the only day I have free. So currently I'm making my hair, and I also want to get my lash done, but I've called the lady that is doing it. She's not around. She went for NYC camp, but she said she will send me someone that would do it for me. So I'm still waiting to hear from her, to get a call from her back. If not, I may just cancel that and just go with the hair. So you guys will probably definitely see me after I get my hair done with my nail. See you guys when I'm done with my hair. And yeah, I miss you all, but see you guys. I don't even know the next plan I have. We'll talk about that later. Okay. Hi guys, it's my birthday today. Happy birthday to myself. So yeah, I have a lot to say to this beautiful lady you are seeing here. God has been amazing. God have really show up for me in a way I can express in this video. I'm really grateful for life, happy to be here, healthy. There's a lot I want to say, but so guys, so as you guys can see, the last time you saw me I was like making my hair. So today, this is like, that day was on Sunday, today is on Tuesday. So I wanted to like do this video yesterday, but yesterday was so much, like I have to get my lash done, and I just take that day to rest because that is basically the only day I have for myself because of work and the rest of it. So, and today I want to go and get my nails done and my toenails done because I went there yesterday and the lady was not there, did not open. So today I want to go and do that. And I said, then why not me show you guys my hair if I forget. So this is my hair. I hope it looks nice on me. I know it does. So guys, let's go to get my nails done. And I don't know how I'm going to end this video because I don't have much plans for today, because later today I'll be heading back to work in the evening. I don't know if I'll wait till evening because from here to my work is like about 2 hours or 2 hours 30 minutes thereabout. So I don't know if I'm waiting till then, till evening to start heading out. I may start heading out by noon. Let me say it's 2 3 or 2:30 or so. But I don't have any plans on going anywhere today because I wanted to go to the club and just have like pepper soup and a one drink, just sit on my own. In the evening, in the night, let me say that can 6 or 7, depending. If I can't do that today, I'll definitely do it tomorrow because I've told myself that I'm going to take you out and I have to keep any promise I make to myself. I want to keep that. Okay, so that's basically it. Let's see how the day goes, and I'm taking you guys along with me, so let's go. So guys, this is me getting the nails done. I choose red color because I love red. It look nice. Hi guys, today is Wednesday, and yesterday was my birthday. So I'm here to show you guys my nails. I hope you guys can see. I'm currently at work, so I resumed back yesterday. I got early actually. I don't know if you guys can hear me because the fan is on, but if you guys cannot hear me, maybe I'll do a voice cover on it. So this is my nails and I'm at work. So I don't know when I'll be ending this vlog because there's nothing much on it, but we'll see how it goes. Maybe I'll take you guys through my week, then I will wrap it up. Okay, so love you all. Thank you so much for all the birthday wishes. I really appreciate. My heart is full of love and gratitude to you all that wish me. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you. I love you all. See you guys soon. Hi guys. Good afternoon to you all. Today is I think today is Saturday and it's my off day. Like right now I've closed. This like that can after 1:30 or so, but it's 12:30 or so. But it's raining. I have to head to Treffer to get some of my skincare, but um so I've been learning, so I'm waiting for the rain to drop. So, and I want to take you guys along. I'm supposed to go home today, but because of the patient I'm taking care of, it seems that he does not want me to commit my attention. I said, okay, instead of me going home, I hope you guys can hear me. Instead of me going home, why not me just go and get what I want to get and then I feel like it's so let me just go get the thing I want to get and then come back. Just going to maybe on Monday. So yeah, so that was coming and I'll take you guys along. Hope the rain will stop soon so that I'll be able to vlog as I go. But if it does not stop, I don't know what I will do. Maybe I will just show you guys what I got when I'm back or tomorrow. I don't know. But this is my outfit. My hair is still put together. This my hair will be, it's not up to a week, I guess. On Sunday we'll make it 1 week. So it's still looking nice. And this is my outfit. A full view of my outfit. So I have to go back. So I hope how do I look? I know I look good by the way. So see you guys in the market. Love Venga, to the other now, sir. Shama pass the bubble. I think it's supposed to be close to that gate. I don't know. I know another way. It's even close to that gate. for Babalogu Plaza. Shop here. It's not here. I'm not talking about the shop. Okay. So guys, after the bustling and traffic, Lagos is so God, there's noise. Like even in the market, there was noise. So finally, I was able to get to this store, and I was lucky to they have everything I needed to get in one particular store. So I don't need to start moving around to start looking for things. That is the beauty of buying wholesale or where they sell wholesale. So yeah, I was here and they were like ready to attend to me and have everything I needed to get. And I was really pleased because that day was raining, people were busy, and joking enough is on Saturday. Well, Saturday shouldn't be this busy in this particular market, but I don't know what happened this particular day. So yeah, I was really stressed. I was very, very stressed. But let me let you guys listen, because there was a music that was playing there. I'm trying to avoid from getting copyright. How can't it come from? I want video. How much last? Nothing at two I take like that. The other one, how much? I want to know. 3,000. No, the other one. 3,000. The two are 3,000.
Oh, yeah, do everything 5,500.
Hello, 5,500.
70. 64. Sorry, no rule. 64. 997955.
Yeah,
4,000. And they sell one 4,000.
no, be this one. This one,
now. Here now. If they price me the two of them 4,000, you know they buy trousers for mine. They buy from mine. Nobody price me.
Daniel.
No, who's Daniel?
Today. If you go talk like worry. Now what for you?
It's up like that.
That you go up there. It's school for there.
School.
Yeah.
No, when my guys there. Another state university.
I don't wonder. Why can't they talk like worry?
That's the way they reach.
Out of this one. Don't like this.